Understanding Kaizen, the continuous improvement philosophy. Kaizen, a Japanese term meaning change for the better or continuous improvement, has profoundly influenced the business world. It is a philosophy aimed at enhancing processes, increasing productivity, and fostering a collaborative workforce. Kaizen promotes a culture where every employee, regardless of their position, plays a vital role in improving operations. The essence of Kaizen. The core of Kaizen is about making incremental improvements over time rather than attempting large, disruptive changes all at once. This gradual approach facilitates a sustainable environment for growth and innovation. The overarching goal is to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of the work environment by creating a harmonious team atmosphere, improving daily processes, and ensuring that employees are engaged, fulfilled, and safe at work. Key principles of Kaizen. To better grasp how Kaizen functionally operates within an organization, it's essential to understand its 5 fundamental principles. 1. Know your customer. Understanding customer needs is imperatively first. This knowledge guides improvements and directs efforts towards delivering value to the customers consistently. 2. Let it flow. Creating processes that allow for seamless workflow without interruptions is crucial. This aspect emphasizes efficient transitions and the ease of moving from one stage of production to another. 3. Go to Gemba. This principle encourages managers and leaders to go to the actual place where work is performed, the Gemba, to observe and understand the processes, challenges, and issues firsthand. 4. Empower people. Employees who are directly involved in a task often have the best insights into how to improve it. Empowering them to suggest and implement changes is central to the Kaizen philosophy. 5. Be transparent. Open communication is key within a Kaizen framework. Transparency ensures that everyone is aware of changes, feedback loops, and the progress of various initiatives. Benefits of implementing Kaizen. Adopting the Kaizen approach can yield numerous benefits for organizations. Increased productivity. By continuously optimizing processes, companies can significantly boost output without the need for additional resources. Waste reduction. Kaizen emphasizes eliminating waste in all forms, whether in materials, time, or labor, thereby enhancing efficiency. Improved quality. Ongoing improvements lead to higher quality products and services, resulting in greater customer satisfaction. Cost efficiency. By streamlining operations and minimizing waste, companies can lower operational costs and improve profitability. Enhanced safety. A focus on continuous improvement often leads to safer work environments as hazards are identified and mitigated. Higher employee morale. Engaging employees in the improvement processes fosters loyalty, satisfaction, and a sense of ownership in their roles. The PDCA cycle in Kaizen. A structured approach frequently used in the Kaizen methodology is the PDCA cycle, which stands for Plan Do Check Act. This cyclical process helps organizations effectively implement changes. 1. Plan. Identify an opportunity for improvement and develop a plan to implement it. 2. Do. Execute the plan on a small scale to test its effectiveness. 3. Check. Review the results from the execution to understand what happened and whether the desired outcomes were achieved. 4. Act. If the change was successful, extend its implementation. If not, revise the plan and repeat the cycle. The just-in-time inventory strategy. A vital component of the Kaizen philosophy is the just-in-time (JIT) inventory strategy. JIT aims to optimize production by aligning raw material order with production schedules, thereby minimizing overstock and carrying costs. This strategy is well integrated with Kanban systems, which use visual aids, like colored cards, to signal when it's time to replenish inventory. Kanban facilitates efficient work processes while preventing industrial bottlenecks, ensuring a smooth operation of production lines. The 5S methodology. Within the Kaizen framework, the 5S methodology stands as a prominent principle used in lean manufacturing. It includes 1. Sort. identify and eliminate unnecessary items from the workplace. 2. Set in order, organize necessary items for ease of access and use. 3. Shine, clean the workspace, ensuring it remains tidy and conducive to efficient performance. 4. Standardize, create procedures that maintain cleanliness and organization. 5. Sustain, foster a culture of continuous adherence to the 5S principles. Real-world applications of Kaizen. Organizations like Toyota have exemplified the success of incorporating Kaizen into their operations. The Japanese automotive manufacturer considers Kaizen a core organizational value, empowering employees to identify improvement opportunities within their work areas. Another notable example is Ford Motor Company, which adopted Kaizen principles to streamline its manufacturing processes, significantly reducing time and enhancing efficiency. Conclusion. In summary, Kaizen is more than just a methodology, it is a holistic philosophy promoting continuous, incremental improvements across all levels of an organization. By valuing employee input and fostering a culture of collaboration, companies not only advance their operations but also create more engaging and rewarding working environments. As businesses continue to evolve in this competitive landscape, embracing the Kaizen philosophy could be the key to sustained success and innovation.